Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mariam Jamila binti Faiman. My matrix number is S59828. For individual assignment for financial accounting and reporting 3, I choose case number 2, which is about CCB Bank Berhad. There are 3 questions for this case, A, B and C. Let's look for the question A. What is the total finance charge and the effective interest rate? The answer must be until 2 decimal points. So for total finance charge, sum of installment is 44,000 annual installment times 5 years, we will get 220,000 minus fair value of motor vehicle, which is market price just mentioned in the question is 200,000. So the total finance charge is 220,000 minus 200,000, we will get 20,000. For the effective interest rate, EIR, for the year 0, cash flow is negative 156,000. I get from negative 200,000 plus annual installment 44,000. For the year 1 until year 4, the cash flow is 44,000, which is annual installment. So for total effective interest rate, EIR, we use the Excel formula, which is equal to IRR, and take B11 until B50. We will get the EIR effective interest rate is 5.01%. For the question B, prepare the lease receivable schedule. For the year 0, the opening balance is 200,000, which is the fair value. Interest income is 0. This payment is 44,000, which is annual installment. And closing balance is opening balance plus interest income minus lease payments. We will get 156,000. For the year 1, opening balance, I get from the closing balance year 0, 156,000 times 5.01% to get the interest income 7,809 minus lease payment 44,000 and get the closing balance 119,809. For the year 2, opening balance is from the closing balance year 1, 190,809 times 5.01%, we will get the interest income 5,998 minus 44,000 and get the closing balance 81,807. For the year 3, the opening balance get from the closing balance year 2, 81,807 times 5.01% to get the interest income 4,095 minus lease payment 44,000 to get the closing balance 41,902. For the year 4, opening balance from the closing balance year 3 times interest income 5.01% and to get 2,098 minus 44,000 lease payment and the closing balance is 0. So for the year 5, the opening balance is 0, interest income is 0, lease payment 0, closing balance is 0. For total interest income, we will get 20,000. Total lease payment is 220,000. Let's look for the question C. Prepare the journal entry for the lessor as follows. 1. At the date of sale of the motor vehicle. So for debit cash, 200,000. Credit revenue, 200,000. Debit cost of sales, 120,000. Credit inventory, 120,000. 2. To recognize the receivable on hire purchase, debit lease receivable, which is we take gross value, which is 220,000. Credit cash paid to car manufacturer, 200,000. Credit unearned finance income, 20,000. 3. To record upfront lease payment from customer, debit cash 44,000. Credit lease receivable 44,000. 4. To recognize interest income at effective interest rate, at the end year 1, unearned finance income 7,809, which is I get from the lease receivable schedule. For the year 1 is interest income is 7,809. So the interest rate credit 7,809. That's all for this question case number 2. So I hope I already answer all the question correctly. That's all from me. Thank you for keep hearing me.